1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Real deal SS too, 138 code car. 283 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front chrome. Grille, headlight, surrounds, and bright work. You can see that shows well on the front of this car. A dark blue metallic. Blue interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Take a peek at the underside, interior, engine bay. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on Krieger SS chrome wheels, disc brakes up front, BF Goodrich radial TAs. Techs did note that the brakes are 80% or better at all four corners on this car. True dual exhaust from the front to the rear. Also has new valve cover gaskets and a recent cooler flush. Let's take a peek down the passenger side and you can see paint shows well, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice reflection in that deep, dark blue metallic paint. Blue interior, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side too, and we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, we want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome on the rear bumper, nice shape, bright work. Looking good back here. Also, true dual exhaust. Like I said, from the front to the rear. Those still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these mid-60s Chevys or maybe kind of just muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floors. We take a look down the driver's side and see those panels nice and straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Start it up. See how it sounds in just a bit. Door panels look good. We have a two-tone vinyl, as you can see. Free of any major rips, tears, holes. Seat belts intact, front and rear. Rear deck looks good. Headliner looking good. Let's fire it up. Fires up easily. Aftermarket stereo, you can see has been installed. Oil pressure, voltmeter, and water temp. That was a cold start, so I'm going to expect that water temp to be up. Nice throttle response. A little Lobe small block. Sounds like it might have a mild cam. Door closes nicely. This car will turn some heads. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, no doubt about that. Gives you an idea how it sounds. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this video real quick. Let's get this hood open. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end too, and Jason will take it for a drive for you. Underside of the hood. Looking as nice as the exterior of the car. There it is. The 283 with a 4-barrel. Headers. Power steering, power brakes. I notice the battery's just a couple years old down here too with a battery disconnect. For when it's in storage, you're in between drives. Nice looking, clean, tidy engine bay. One, get in and turn the key, drive it, have some fun. Real deal, 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS, 2-door hardtop. All those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle. Really nice blue on blue. It's a brighter blue interior with some darker blue carpeting, and that chrome really looks great. Speedometer working as it should. Tachometer added in the middle from Autometer behind the dash face, which looks great. Fuel gauge is reading over half a tank. The amps are charging from the battery over halfway on the gauge. The oil pressure gauge from the factory and the temperature gauge are not moving, but under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge from Summit showing 50 psi, and the volts are showing 14 down there, and water on the far right showing 190. Looking good. Great sound coming from this car. It sounds as good as it looks. Interior looking great. Headliner nice light blue. Bucket seats in vinyl matching the blue. Very nice. Turn signal indicators are working. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane, which means it is a good alignment. I do turn the signals off after applying them. Corners very nicely. Excellent handling on the road. You definitely want to take a look at all the pictures of this 65 Chevrolet Chevelle at uniqueclassiccars.com.